You're supposed to be.
Straight down, thank you. Alright, you've got a question, hold on, I'm not good at questions. You're going to ask me something about the answer to it. Good morning, sir. Have a beautiful day with a beautiful car.
One day.
Will you get around here safely? That's the question.
It's alright.
Morning.
Yeah, yes. Maybe not that fucking day what you're old. Oh yeah. Playing up.
Country, but this part of the world is probably one of the best. What's going on in here?
That could be it.
Yeah, go down there. What's going on down there? You're in the right place, I reckon. Have a good day, straight down there.
MG. Yeah.
I get to see every single one. Straight down, sir. Have a good day.
I'm moving this way.
Morning. Straight down, sir. Have a good day. Your beautiful car. Go on then. Straight down there. Have a good day. Thank you very much.
Hello.
Yeah, I've got a big yellow hamster. I don't know who's got what really. I'm a bit of an imposter. Oh, beautiful. Oh, that's nice. Morning. Have a good day. What a beautiful car. Well done. Going for it? No. No signal on first, really. Morning. Straight down there. Have a good day. Have a good day, young man. Good one. Public parking's down there. Have a good day. Lancia, possibly Alpha. I don't know. Alpha. No. Good. Straight down there. Have a good day. Have a good one, sir. Thank you, matey. Is that legal? What? You've got any explosives? Yeah?
Morning. Hurry on. Have a good time. What the hell are you talking about? Beautiful. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's lovely.
Have a good day.
I'm working on the live stand today. Where do you want me to park?
Hang on a minute. If you're on the field, have you got a pass?
No, I haven't.
I mean, normally if you're just helping out along the stand. Sorry about that. You must be on the trade stand. There's no other reason for all that stuff. Have to go. Have a good day. MGC, yes, yes, yes. It's not a fucking bother. Give me a squirt. That's what we want. Oh, very rare mini pickup. Straight down there, sir. You're open to pay, are you? Oh, there we go.
That's it.
I'll try to get more full time.
Semaphore, brilliant, love it.
Morning.
Straight down. Low round clearance. Give it a little squirt. Push, push. I rest my case. Have a good day. You're on the field. Your trade. I don't know what you're on about. Hang on, what you on? Straight down. Have a good day, sir. Good. Well done. Have a good day, sir. Marina Coupe. Have a good day, sir. good day. Little pipe in yellow. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, very sophisticated, sir. Have a nice day. When was the last time I saw one of them? This work. Rope. Yes.
That's not all made from Christmas.
No, I thought it was as well, but it's not.
Oh, how far has it quickly gone? Probably. I'm going to post it now. Oh, no. No, wait.
This isn't it.
Bloody late, fella.
Yeah, this is really nice.
Rope, give me one, go on. Nice man, come on man. Go on. Good morning, sir. Morning. Have a good day. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. It's my first car, that was. I used to have one of them.
Good there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Are you okay?
So
Straight down,
those are
sir.
the-
Have a good one. Beautiful. Look at the squirt. Well done. Yes. They all want to do it. Yeah, well done, sir. Well done. Keep going. Getting busy. We're getting busy. Have a good day. Straight down there, sir. I don't know if you'll fit though. I'm not sure if you might not fit. Good morning. Have a nice day. The dog's not safe for. Bit of a colour match, I think. Yeah, fun. Have a good day.
did that, we'd have a fill of the road in a minute. So I just put them there. I didn't expect to have too many this time of the morning, to be honest. So we must have to wing it down there. Yeah, alright.
Keep going. Stiletto, that's so rare.
Yeah, as long as you keep it gentle with it, yeah, take them out.
Hang on, I'm not sure that's legal. Have a good day. Oh, I don't know if you all want to. Oh, have a good day. Beautiful car, go on. So have you had many yet, Graham, that are not registered and you had to charge them? Oh, that's not too bad then, is it? Oh, that's an unusual thing. That's a Jetta, I think. There's a little wrapping. You get more points if you got a semaphore. Right, turn round, sir, and you've got to go down there. You've got to turn round.
The blue one,
Exactly, you've got to turn round there. Go for it. Give it a squirt, mate. Go on, you know you want. Go, guys, keep going. Keep going. Whoa. Oh, beautiful. Give us a squirt. Go on, go on. Not bad. Have a good one. It's going to be warm. Hope you bought plenty of water. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. I'll build that this way. at some point you just start them and they're all that's where my unfortunate mate, obviously, he's got to like to use that, and then plenty of that. He's done some things, that's where I was going to go, that's where I need to it's not like special practice, it's like revving up the third time.
Miami's on the scene, just in case you didn't know. I'm down, I'm creating all the bass sound. Another shit to keep holes in the ground. Cause my style's like a critical speed. These my rhymes, the vision is feed.
Tell me it is. Tell me it's a real one. Tell me it's a real one. Go on. One on the fake one. Beautiful. Well done. Sorry, are you not public car?